Okay, here's another one we can't go in, but this is the Hawthorne County Courthouse. Very cool old building. Let's see. Let's see. And it says Old County Courthouse on July 1st, 1883, the county seat of Esmeralda County, moved from Aurora to Hawthorne. A courthouse was needed, so a contract to build it for $29,125 was awarded on August 16, 1883. Construction began. Corruption and collusion between the contractor George W. Babcock and political officials are revealed by a grand jury. Despite the wrongdoings, in February of 1884, the building was opened and continued as a county entity until May 1907, when the county seat moved to Goldfield. On February 11, 1911, Esmeralda County was split and Mineral County was created again. It became the center of county business until 1973, when a modern facility replaced it. Dedicated May 4th, 1996, Walker Lake Posse, number 6000, outpost of Julia Boulette, 1864, and E. Clampus Vitus. So, we'll walk around and get the rest of the building. So this was built in 1883. Well, construction began. And it opened up in 1884. And then it stopped being a county courthouse in 1907, and then it was in use of county business for till 1973. That's basically what that was saying. That's such a cool building. I'm going to walk around. We'll get the other side. This is the city of Hawthorne, Nevada. I just was out at the hospital, the abandoned hospital. Talked to the lady who owns the property. Friended each other on Facebook, so I'll be able to get to the photographs of the inside, which she said there's like 40 of them. These are some old trees here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Old windows. Oh, where the windows used to be. They're not, if they're there, they're behind those boards. Look at that up at the top. Isn't that cool? right. There's Xena, the warrior princess, our trusty steed. Yep. That motorhome is making this all possible to show you guys these great spots. And I got the information from Tiffany that owns the hospital property about this old courthouse. She told me it was fenced in, but it was worth taking a look at. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It would really help me out. Peace.